I've had a sharp heel pain for many years. It is especially bad when I wake up in the morning, but it does continue through the day. It was becoming so bad that I was finding any sort of activity or mobility difficult during the day. This is when I was recommended to go to the CuraFoot 3D clinic, where they do an assessment and where there's a doctor consultation and an orthotic consultation which happens on the back of it.
Plantar fasciitis is a condition where you have pain on the undersurface of your feet, either one or both of your feet. It is also known as a calcaneal spur syndrome. The pain is most pronounced when you get up and take the first few steps in the morning, or after you have been sitting down for a while in a meeting and you get up and you have pain while taking the first few steps. It is the most common foot pain condition in the Indian population. It is very commonly associated with flat feet or other foot deformities. If you have plantar fasciitis, please reach out to your physician or your foot doctor or your orthopedic surgeon. He will most likely prescribe an offloading insole with arch support, which will support your foot and offload your heel so that you don't have pain when you walk. Will lead to a cure of the condition in a few months' time.
Based on the consultation, I was recommended a 3D insole. This was customized to my foot condition, and I must say that the effects of that have been tremendous. My pain has reduced substantially. I find working easier, and certainly my mobility has improved a lot. So thank you, CuraFoot, for providing me with the solution that I really needed.